This tutorial is the bowl school from Midnight Sun. Again, all of the items I used are linked in the comments. The base for this is really easy. You're just going to use white beads and just spread them out inside your mold. I use Snow White from Mad Mica's. Once it's all spread out, then you can bake. I do 325 for 20 minutes. Once it's cooled off, take it out of the mold, and then you're ready to paint. I use these fine tip bottles for this because it's hard to use a paint pen in the little cracks. So I filled it with just acrylic paint, and then I like to paint this spot right here blue. Once I have that spot painted blue, then I like to go through with my Sharpie paint pens and do the rest of the details. So first I start by doing some gold. I like to get that piece in the middle. And then once I have all of that colored in, then I like to go over it, and then I add black for the eyes. You can always add a cow print to the top or leopard. There's lots of really cool ideas on Facebook. I like to keep mine simple because I'm a wholesale only business, and so speed is really important. I color in the horns black. And then once I have all of those details in, I'm finished with this. Then I drill a hole and add a string.